Most companies in the manufacturing industries are opting for automation in their production processes. Philip Woods of RX Africa, organisers of the Africa Automation Technology Fair, says manufacturers choose automation as it's more reliable, helps for better production and consistent in quality. Woods says interest in automation is growing and reasons given for automation is usually to aid production rather than to cut the labour force.
While human error is almost inevitable in production, machines, on the other hand, do exactly what they are meant to do. The main reason in the growing interest in automation is improved production, efficiency and enhanced quality. South Africa's electricity crisis has forced manufacturers to be innovative, including own energy generation, so that production does not stop when the power goes off. Skills is another challenge that companies face as they strive for smoother, better production.
The problem with South Africa at the moment is there's always an issue over the labour force. So many people nowadays are leaving school. They want to get a degree. They want to become a lawyer, a doctor or whatever. And unfortunately, there aren't, sadly, the vacancies there for those particular professions. If we had more people going into engineering, I think it would do the country a lot better. It's not as sexy, if you like, as other professions, but it's an essential. It's very important. It is a fascinating topic. There's so much creativity that people can bring to the engineering space.
Schneider Electric says automation adoption is more broad-based across sectors in the economy.
We operate in 4 key markets: buildings, industry, data centers, and then infrastructure and utilities. And those really contribute to nearly 70% of the electrical energy consumption in the region. And all of them are focusing on implementing digitization to become more efficient. So if you look at buildings, today buildings are nearly 40% of the total electrical energy consumption. And this is because, most buildings in our market are quite old. They're all using air conditioning. They all have very energy-intensive lighting systems, and they don't have any automation to actually control when the heating and ventilation is shut down. So you'd find that there are lots of buildings on weekends that have air conditioning and lights running, and there's not even anybody in the building. So they would be implementing automation to control and reduce their energy from that perspective.
McCashin says for energy-intensive industries like manufacturing, mining and metals, automation is critical to manage material movements and to implement repetitive processes to ensure quality production. Gloria Sefako Musi, SABC News, Johannesburg.